So this one asks, what is the product of -3 and -80? So product we know is multiplication. So we have -3 times -80. So we can really think about this two ways. One way is we need to know kind of the rule, and the rule says that if you multiply two negatives, you end up with a positive. So we end up with a positive 240. But for those of us who don't like to just blindly follow rules, let's look at why that is. So if we have -3 times -80, we could think of it as this. Three groups of -80, but we want the opposite of that. Okay, and the way that I did that, I just put the parentheses there in front of the 3. So if we have a number line, here's 0. I want three groups of -80. So we're at -80, -160, -240. But this negative out here, the second negative says, well, I don't want that -240. I actually want the opposite of that. So we would need to go on the complete opposite side of the number line, which would be over here, which would be the positive 240. And that's why a negative times a negative actually is a positive.